Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the problem. Run ping and trace route to the server and note loss percentage and inconsistent hops. Once you have that baseline, switch to a wired connection and reboot your modem and router to clear transient errors. Make sure to update network interface drivers and router firmware. These often fix driver-level drops. Also temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or co-S rules that could reroute packets and introduce loss, so you isolate the faulty component quickly. Now dig into the middle layer. Inspect switch and NIC statistics for CRC errors, collisions, or duplex mismatches that indicate physical or configuration faults. Run MTR or pathbing to map per hop loss and find where packets drop or latency spikes occur. Once you identify a segment, replace suspect Cat5e/Cat6 cables, move to a different switch port, and enable or standardize duplex and flow control settings. These targeted fixes stop ongoing retransmissions and stabilize throughput across the path. Finish by optimizing and validating. Adjust MTU to avoid fragmentation and tune TCP window sizes or buffer bloat mitigation to reduce retransmits. Apply co-S to prioritize voice or game traffic. Monitor for congestion and identify heavy flows, rate limit or schedule backups, and consider a bandwidth upgrade if links consistently saturate. If packet loss persists, capture packet traces to show sequence numbers and retransmits. Then escalate with evidence to your ISP or hardware vendor. That's your key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.